Good morning, 7th class. Now we will proceed to our 7th chapter of geography, and in this chapter we will discuss the human environment, settlement, transport, and communication. So, firstly, we will discuss the introduction of that chapter, and we will know about the people how they used to live. So, firstly, we must know human environment. What do we need? Firstly, the settlement, after that, transportation, then communication. So, settlement are those area, the building where you can say it develops is called site. So, natural condition of that favorite climate, availability of water, suitable land, and fertile soil means human environment where people start live. Yeah, where did man start living? So, as we know, we have read all these things in history, but when we are discussing geographical term, so in that particularly we will discuss what kind of settlement men start preferring, in which settlement they start their living, and how they start their life. So basically, we will discuss firstly settlement. We will see what is that. So, as we know that man totally depend on nature for food, cloth, and shelter. Like to nomad, we have seen in history that firstly the human were dependent on nature. They used to take the fruits or food from the nature. After that, they start living in the caves, and uh, laterly they required the cloth according to the season. So they use like the you can say leaves or the animal skin or hide to wear. So, like today, if we say that firstly, men if want to shelter, so how they learned about the food to build the home and develop better means of transport, communication. In this way, modified the environment where they live. So, settlement are what? What are settlement means? Settlement the places where people build their homes मीन्स जहाँ पर लोग रहते हैं. अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स live in the on the trees in the caves, and when they started to grow the crops, they become necessary to have the permanent home. Remember in history we read when men start agriculture, and whenever particular source of means of survival was food, and wherever they got water, and they start living on those places. So they made their permanent settlement, and they start living there. Settlement means like home, particular place of living. So wherever they got river valleys or river or water, and the land was fertile, they start settling down there. After that, the trade, commerce, and manufacturing, human settlement became larger settlement, flourished in civilizing, developed the near river valleys. If you see the history or the geographical areas, mainly the large population, dense population is found in river valleys. If we see that Ganga and Yamuna plains, then Yangtze Kiang in China, and Egypt or Nile. So we will see that most of the population is found near the river valleys or on the river valleys. So some are there like the bank of river like Indus, Tigris, Nile, and Hamango. So these are main the river valleys where the most population is found. Now the settlement can be two types. Firstly, the permanent settlement. Secondly, the temporary. Permanent means you understand, which is fixed, permanent. People are living from long years of time, and temporary means sometime they shift from one place to another. So settlement which are occupied for short time is called temporary, and for permanent type means fixing their time for long period of time they're there, they are called permanent. So, living in the deep forest, hot, cold deserts, mountains, often dwell in such temporary settlement. The they practice the hunting, gathering, shifting, cultivation, transhumance means जहाँ से भी वो अपने आप को चेंज करते रहते हैं. ठीक है, they are called temporary. However, more and more settlements today are permanent settlements. तो permanent settlements are the people build their home to live. मतलब वो अपने फिक्स घर बनाते हैं, पक्के घर बना लेते हैं और उन्हीं में रहना शुरू करते हैं. So here one of the story is giving for you, like Mary birthday है, उसकी birthday party है, and she and her friends were waiting for Gurpreet to arrive so that Mary could cut the cake. ठीक है, friend का वेट हो रहा है. When she comes from her house for the birthday celebration or party, तो she start coughing and wheezing. wheezing का मतलब होता है ज़ोर ज़ोर से सांस के साथ आवाज़ लेना. And she explained about the traffic jam and terrible, like how it is terrible. And Maya's mother and Mrs. Thomas patted her back and side, and she is telling about the pollution of the cities. And she tell about from that many people have settled down from the villages, so that profit means the population is increasing, or number of vehicle increasing, houses are increasing, population is increasing. So Mr. Thomas reply करते हैं उसको. तो मैरी पूछती है कि why are the people coming to cities. तो everyone knows why people do come to cities, for better education, better health facilities, better life in the cities they want. लेकिन ये नहीं पता चलता कि behind this what is that they are doing. They are increasing the population, they are polluting the environment, like all this unhygienicness and everything. This we can see here in this paragraph. So that is why to see many slums, मतलब लोग आते हैं, अब उनके पास इतना पैसा तो होता नहीं कि वो आकर एकदम से मकान बनाए. तो sometimes they start living whatever wherever they get place or cheapest houses to live. तो slums में रहते हैं ज़्यादातर. And squatter settlements का मतलब होता है outskirt of the city, when without any law and rule regulation people start living with their own unlawful means. So they stay congested and unhygienic conditions. Shortage of power and water supply are common problem in the cities. Means as people are increasing in the cities, obviously the people facing the problem of certain things which are basic amenities. So our villages may not have big cinemas. तो लोगों के पास गांव में कुछ नहीं है, दैट्स वाई दे स्टार्ट शिफ्टिंग टू द सिटीज़. बट वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ओपन स्पेस एंड फ्रेश एयर. फिर वो ये भी बताते हैं कि अगर गांव है तो वहाँ पर हेल्थ तो है, फ्रेश एयर तो है, ठीक है, जो उसके उनको वहाँ पर मिलती है वो सिटीज़ में नहीं मिलती. सो दिस इज़ द बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन विलेज एंड सिटीज़. ठीक है, ये हमारा डिफरेंस होता है अगर इसमें क्वेश्चन आता भी है. ठीक है, टुडे टिल हेयर विल डिस्कस, और फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम विल सी अबाउट द settlements, what kind of settlements do we have in cities and villages. So we'll stop this video here. Thank you, have a nice day.